series like this, then you get higher voltage.
You know how spinning works since you know what to do.
Yep.
It's pretty simple.
And you want to start with a clean tip, which is the purpose of the, yeah, this isn't tinned on all sides. It's best.
I tried to.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's fine.
This is read it off the internet.
Watch a few videos.
Sometime you might want to, once it gets black like that, you can't really tin it very well. So you may want to just sand when it's cold. You might want to sand it until it gets copper, and then it's best if you have a little bit of flux.
Yeah.
Dip it a little bit, and then as soon as it heats up, you put solder on to make sure it's tinned properly. So, well, I'm just going to do the first one. Then you make sure you have at least a little bit of solder on your tip. Hold it to the metal. Wait till it looks for a few seconds or so, and then you want to touch the solder to the wire, not directly to the soldering iron.
So if you don't, you get like cold solder thing,
Exactly.
and that doesn't work.
Right.
Cold
So
joint.
go ahead and.
Okay, and I didn't realize how much you need to use, so I've got huge ugly globs on mine.
Right. You only need just a little bit, and in fact, yeah, exactly.
I think I remember. You guys make it look easy.
It is. We're just doing it the wrongest way possible. For one, we have way. My eyes.
Got that one.
Here, let me.
Yeah.
And there's this one.
It reminds me of the smell of creepy crawlers. Remember those?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Well, way before your time.
I don't even know what a creepy crawler is. But this is the smell of flux.
It was sort of like making bugs on a waffle iron.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah, do you think we could ever have a toy like that around today?
Don't just wait.
Electricity and water together, folks. Hot water, so you burn your fingers.
I think I got him.
Plus that whatever we were pouring into it must have been
Oh yeah,
so
it must have been
toxic. 'Cause
toxic.
it
Yeah.
smelled like this. It was
This is
like,
the one I did.
Yeah, this is
Toxic
got, like,
plastic.
Weird, fluxy
Okay.
stuff. And it's
Thank you.
Sure.
So like.
Okay, Matthew, your turn.